all, I am Rashni. Today I come up with another interesting recipe. It is called as gluten-free bread. So today we are going to make gluten-free bread. For that I have grounded flaxseed into fine powder. This is gram flour, so we'll add in this. This is ground rice flour. Psyllium husk. Baking powder. Salt. Maple syrup or honey you can use. I am using honey today. Now mix all the ingredients together. So let it sit for like 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll preheat our unit. So while the dough is resting, I'm going to preheat our pot using Navigenio. Navigenio is world's smallest portable oven. You can use it as a hot plate or as an oven. So I will tell you how to use it as an oven. So I'm taking a 24 high today, switching on the Navigenio at highest level 6, fixing my Audiotherm and keeping it on roasting window. Once it has reached the roasting window, we'll see how to bake our bread. So you can see I have connected our Audiotherm to our phone as well. You can control your cooking through our mobile app. You can download it in Play Store. It is called AMC Cook and Go app. Now you can see the soda has absorbed everything and it is in the dough shape. We need to shape up our bread right now. So I am taking a butter sheet, dusting it with some rice flour. It's the same flour which I used to make this bread. Now gently fold in the dough and make a oval or round shape. Now you can see I've shaped up the bread now. So just make slits. Brush it with some water. So that it doesn't get dried up. Now it is ready to bake. Now you can see our pot is preheated. We'll switch off the Audiotherm. Switch off our Navigenio. Place the lid inverted. Place the top on the lid. I've got baking sheet which fits in our 24 high. Placing the bread inside. Place the Navigenio upside down. Switch on the Audiotherm, the baking symbol. Set the time for 15 minutes. Switch the Audiotherm level 1 at the highest heat. You can see I have connected my phone as well. So now you can see our cooking is done. So I am switching off the Audiotherm. I am switching off the Navigenio. Now it has to rest for another 10 minutes. So I'm just keeping the kitchen timer for another 10 minutes. But our Navigenio is switched off. So you can see our resting period is finished. So I'm switching off the Audiotherm. So let's open our Navigenio now. Gluten-free bread is ready now.